everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to show you a demo and also share with you my review on the Prolexer Perfect Skin Detoxifying Sea Algae Mask. So if you want to know my review on this, please keep on watching. Let's first talk about the packaging. The face pack comes in this very cute baby pink outer cardboard box, and inside you can find your face mask in this glass tub. The label on the jar as well as the actual face mask are both pink in color. It also comes with its own brush, which makes the application of the face mask really easy. Overall, the packaging is minimalistic, but it feels luxurious at the same time. Now coming to the ingredients, this face mask contains some magical ingredients like diatomaceous earth, which is supposed to boost radiance, tighten pores and cure acne, vitamin C which smoothens skin and adds glow, activated charcoal which is known to eliminate dirt, pulls out oil and also cleanses skin. This face mask also contains hyaluronic acid which eliminates dryness, retains moisture and hydrates the skin, and also seaweed algae which is supposed to remove toxins. These are just a few ingredients in this face pack, and also all the ingredients are sustainably sourced and it does not contain any parabens, and it's also not tested on animals, which is great, and everything is mentioned in this small booklet that you get along with this face pack. Now let's quickly read the claims on this box. So this product claims to deeply hydrate your skin, detoxify and brighten skin, protect against pollution, tighten pores and boost radiance. This face pack is also suitable for all skin types. Now let's quickly move on to the application. The application is really easy and fuss-free. Since it does not come in a powder form, you do not need to mix it with any liquid. You just need to spread the face mask evenly on your face using the brush or your fingers. Also, this face mask has the most amazing soothing and relaxing fragrance. You can improve the result of your skincare by following it up with these good habits like drinking plenty of water, having a good diet with foods high in omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin E and zinc that help in keeping your skin clear and glowing. Avoid fast food, sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours a day, remove all makeup and cleanse your skin well before going to bed at night. So along with a good skincare routine, you can follow these good habits for a healthier looking skin. After applying it, sit back and relax for 10 minutes. Also close the jar tightly after use to prevent the clay from drying. After 10 minutes, remove the mask with a warm wet towel. Use a toner and moisturizer after mask application. You can see there is a visible brightness and glow. Can you tell I do not have any foundation on my face? I have just put on some kajal and filled in my brows, and I'm wearing this pink lipstick, and that is it. I did not feel the need to put on any foundation or concealer. Now coming to what I feel about this product, apart from the instant brightness and the added glow, my skin really feels soft and cleansed from within. I think it's because of the activated charcoal in the mask that detoxifies the skin. My face also feels really firm after using the mask. But it is not magic, guys. Skincare is a journey, so it takes time and consistency. I will have to use this more regularly to see if this tightens my pores or not. That is 2 to 3 times every week since I have oily skin. And if you have dry skin, you can use it 1 to 2 times a week. That is what is suggested on the box. Also, some clay masks really suck out the moisture from your skin. Thankfully, this is not one of those. It really hydrates the skin, and I also felt that my skin had a glow after removing this mask. So to sum it up, it is a hydrating face mask that detoxifies, brightens and adds glow to dull skin. It is also paraben free, which is an added advantage. The Prolixer Detoxifying Sea Algae Face Mask costs Rs 999 for 50 grams, which I think is a little bit on the steeper side. But good skincare is definitely an investment. According to me, the pack has so many benefits that the price is justified. If you are on the lookout for a good clay mask, you can definitely give this a try and include this in your weekly skincare routine. I will have the product link in the description box below, and I hope I'm not forgetting anything. In case I do forget anything, I'll have everything in the description box, all the necessary information. And you can also check out Prolixer's social media handles. I will also have those links in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful. If you found it useful, then please do share it with your friends and family. It will really mean a lot to me. You can find my social media links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.